YouTube, it's your boy Mopar Breezy, and today we working out at home. I'm presented with a challenge, okay? So we got the Spartan 600 home challenge. We're gonna be doing 100 close push-ups, 100 narrow push-ups, and 100 wide push-ups, all right? And then we got 100 leg raises, 100 crunches, and 100 iron butterflies. We're gonna try to do this as soon as possible. That means as fast as possible, guys. We're gonna jump this off with the standardized push-up, okay? I went for 100 of it. You guys gotta take my word for it. I had to cut the video out because I had a low battery. So I follow that up with the sit-ups. So if you take notice, we got the arm, then we got the ab, arm, ab, arm, ab, arm, ab. That's how we doing it. 6 different exercises, 300 a piece. Okay, so we got that Spartan 600. You already know, we built for this. You know what I'm saying? If you can't move your own body around, what's the point of adding weight? I don't know. Alright, so we finna jump into that wide push-up. I'm not even gonna cap. At this point, I'm a little bit tired, okay? That's because I hit arms earlier that day. And it is what it is, man. You just gotta try to muster through it. I decided to edit less of the video so you guys can actually see me struggle. So if you're paying attention, then you know I'm gassed right now. Like, it's not like cardio, but my actual body parts don't want to move. They're super stiff even though it don't look like it. Okay, so if you are still with us, we are doing the arm butterfly now. Alright, so you want to it's basically like a glorified crunch, right? You're working those lower and mid abs. Nothing too specific. All I know is this is a for sure ab burner if you do all of these reps. And then instead of resting a whole lot when I could, I would just hold that Russian twist position. But as you can see, I got tired and said, forget that. Alright, so but I'm still working. I ain't gave up. I ain't stopped the video. I ain't stopped moving. So this a win in my book. Alright, I got through the challenge. I got through it. Let's take the time out, man, and if you ain't subscribed, please subscribe and then hit the notification bell. It helps your boy out a lot. It lets YouTube know, hey, people are checking out the video, even if it's only a couple. And even if you don't do the challenge, if you're into fitness and you like different exercises, body weight in the weight room, just overall just different, some a little bit different. I don't know what it is. I feel like there's something a little bit different about me and how I work out. You know what I'm saying? How I view things. I don't think that there's one set way to do any one particular thing or one set way to reach one particular goal. You know what I'm saying? I think it's all really dependent upon your lifestyle and what kind of time you're working with and how willing are you to make time. You know what I'm saying? Are you going to sacrifice a day out with the girls or a day out with the guys to put in a little bit of extra work? You've been noticing that you want to slim up a little bit. Are you going to decide to skip that extra meal or that extra dessert? All of these little things matter. As you can see, I'm gassed. So I don't know. Like, I've been hearing that my workout's too easy, but I just do the best I can for me. And you know what I'm saying? If you too advanced, maybe you just aren't going as hard as you think you should. You know what I'm saying? Or you probably can go a little bit harder. Do and take yourself serious. Up the intensity. If I said do 10 and 10 is so easy, slow down the rep or add 2 more reps or add 5 more pounds. do something to change up that variable if you just feeling stagnant and you feeling like something is too easy. This shouldn't be easy. Number one, you know what I'm saying, overcoming the mindset like, this is hard, this is a chore. You got that working against you. And then for you to actually get into the workout and feel like, this is not a challenge, or this ain't doing nothing for me, that's a sucky feeling. So make sure that you're aware of these different variables that you can change, like your rest time, or how many reps you're doing, how many sets you're doing, how fast you're doing the movement, whether it's really slow or really fast. So make sure you're aware of all of that. As you can see, this challenge is kicking my butt. But anyway, thanks for watching. It's your boy Mopar Breezy, and I'm out.
This is Spartan.
2012, I started getting money. I was like 16, going on 17.